In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the WordPress 404 error caused by broken links in just 5 minutes. This common issue can be a frustrating experience, but don't worry. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to resolve it quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll first need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your web browser and type in the URL, wordpress.com. This will take you to the home page, and from there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button, enter your credentials, and you'll be on your way. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing site content, settings, and more. If your plan or trial has expired, you might see a prompt for a renewal or upgrade. But you can bypass this for now and head straight to the dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, it's time to address the broken links causing those pesky 404 errors. Head over to the settings by looking for the settings option in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this new menu, find and select Permalinks. Permalinks are the permanent URLs to your individual blog posts and are important for the overall health of your site. In order to refresh these links and hopefully clear the 404 error, you'll need to click on the Permalinks section. This is an important step, even if you don't make any changes, because we're going to trigger a necessary update. Here's the crucial part. Without making any changes, simply click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This action will refresh the Permalinks settings. It's a little trick that can work wonders to clear up any faulty links without altering your existing URL structure. The process may not seem like much, but it's a tried and true method for quickly fixing many WordPress 404 issues. Once you've saved the changes, navigate back to your website and check to see if the error has been resolved. With any luck, your pages should now load smoothly without any hitch. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've successfully tackled those annoying 404 errors. Remember, keeping your permalinks fresh is an important part of site maintenance. So don't hesitate to repeat this process if you encounter issues in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging!